Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. In today's video guys, we'll be explaining timing belt or timing chain on Hyundai Elantra and Kia Forte guys. That engine's been used in other Kias and Hyundais as well. 1.8 or 2.0, this is the NU engine guys. So we did remove the timing cover on the side, okay, and this is the timing chain for the curious of you guys that are wondering how everything works now. You can see it's a single timing chain, not very complicated procedure at all. The oil pump, okay, is located on the inside of the timing cover there, so it's not a chain driven oil pump. Some people say it's a chain driven oil pump, it's not. So this is your timing chain. Now you have the two camshafts. This is exhaust intake camshaft, crankshaft down there. This is your timing chain tensioner. This is a weak spot guys on those. Sometimes it will malfunction, the chain will get loose and will start rattling. And especially on cold starts, if you hear any rattling, it's most likely a timing chain tensioner. We have an engine knock, we started tearing things down and to see what's causing that. Now, so far we found metal in the open, which means it's not the chain. The chain is pretty tight, tensioner looks fine. We have the videos how to replace all that stuff on auto repair guys, our main channel. Okay, check out the oil pan now, that on the bottom, okay, that right here, all that is metal guys. So we have a problem, most likely it's a piston. So car runs fine, but it knocks. We'll see what's causing that. Video update will be coming soon. We'll have the video on how to repair guys, how to do the timing, how to replace the chain, how to replace tensioner and all that stuff. So if you need anything guys, please subscribe. Many more videos to come to the channel, and thank you for subscribing, giving a thumb up, and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.